Hey, this is Mark, and I'm the guy behind the Mental Marketer and the Facebook group Funnel Building 101. In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook group funnels to get people to buy your products and services. I'll explain what Facebook group funnels are, why you definitely need one. I'll show you an example of one of my most successful funnels, and I'll show you how to set it up for yourself. Before I start, you can actually download 10 different funnels to use that are exactly like the one I use in this video. Just look for a link somewhere around this video. That way you can easily set up your own Facebook group funnel to make money selling your products and services. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. So what is a Facebook group funnel? Well, a Facebook group funnel is collecting contact information from members in your Facebook group. And in this case, we're collecting email addresses. You put that email address into an email autoresponder that will send out emails to your members automatically. Now, in those emails, you want to have your low ticket offers, your high ticket offers, and even affiliate offers available for someone to make a purchase. And when they do, ching ching, you make money. Now, why is this important? Well, Mark Zuckerberg shifted Facebook's focus to groups after the 2016 election, and it's changing how people use the site. Facebook users are now engaging with more content from groups as part of the social network shift towards meaningful communities. And Facebook says there are more than 400 million people in groups that they find meaningful. That's up from 100 million in February 2017. Plus, they recently spent $10 million to run a 60-second commercial during the Super Bowl just to promote the groups. Now, if you're not utilizing groups in your marketing strategy, you are missing out on a huge pot of gold. Here is an example of one of my most successful Facebook group funnels. Now, the email is obtained from Facebook and input into the email autoresponder. From there, in this particular email sequence, they'll be sent 27 straight emails over 28 days. You'll see the first email is sent immediately, and it has access to the members area where they can access the Sales Funnel Academy. Then the next day, they're sent another email to remind them that the second day's training is available, and so on and so forth, until eventually they become lifetime members in my evergreen newsletter. Now let's take a look at each step a little closer. Now, this first step is collecting the email. Now, Facebook allows you to ask 3 questions before someone enters your group. Now, I believe I have the greatest questions, and you can use these questions if you'd like, but these answers give you valuable information around content to provide for the group, and you're able to grab that email address by offering a quick freebie. Now, if you don't have a freebie to offer, it's pretty easy putting together a digital product. I'll even put a link to a video showing how to create one and how to deliver it. Next, here's the first email that I send. You'll notice that this is a welcome email, and it's welcoming them to the family. Has an image of the product they just purchased, and it has a link to sign up for the password protected membership area. And you'll see down here at the bottom, it also has an additional complimentary and related affiliate offer that makes additional revenue. Now, in this case, because this course is about sales funnel and the affiliate offer is for a free email autoresponder. Next is the membership area. Now, when the membership area is accessed, there are opportunities for additional revenue by upgrading for more in-depth training. And there are also additional complimentary products as well as affiliate products in our resource section. And these are just more opportunities for additional revenue. So as you can see with a Facebook group funnel, just one link, one click, one email address that you get one time causes a chain reaction that can give you more than 50 combined sources of revenue. You might ask, how do I get the data from the 3 questions from Facebook into my email autoresponder? Well, I put together this short video showing how to get the email from Facebook into ClickFunnels. I'm making this video to show how I am currently approving members into my Facebook group and transferring that data over to my spreadsheet so I can track the members and also track their responses to the 4 questions, well, the 3 questions that are asked when they enter my group. So I go here to because currently I'm doing this manually, so it is time consuming. I'm not at 1,000 members yet, but I do plan to grow this group into the hundreds of thousands. And I know that before I get to that point, I need to get a system that will make this more automated and easier, and will allow me to track the information that I received because I love getting this information and using it for research and also to gain subscribers onto my email list. So here we are inside of my Facebook. I have 4 requests, and the number of requests that I'm getting are starting to increase on a daily basis. So I can do this when I have maybe 4 requests, but when I start getting 50 and 100 requests per day, it's going to be pretty time consuming. But let me go through the process here. So so I have 4 people requested. I'm going to go through just showing how I do one. So what I do here is I get it right here on the screen, and I like to use all of this information right here to have for the future. So I'm going to right click and I just take a screenshot of this page right here. And what I do, once it does its magic and it creates the screenshot, I'm going to go over to the screenshot right here. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard, and I'm going to go to a Google slide that I have set up. Now, you can see here that this Google slide is up in the hundreds and 200s, and you'll see what it looks like because I like to get all that information. So each time someone comes in, I'm going to copy it and then paste it onto one of the slides. The problem with this is that this document is not searchable. It's not searchable, and I can't easily go back to find information that particular people have put in. So and you can see the number 1 reason that a lot of people come into the group is funnels, and learn how to build funnels and best practices for funnel building. This person wants to make money. Let's see here. This person, how to set up funnels. So this is really good research for me to use as far as content inside the group. And it's also really good for me to have a conversation with this person and bring up the number 1 thing that they want to get outside in the group, so I can help them to get that. So this process is just taking a little bit longer than necessary, and once there's more people that are coming in the group, it's going to be impossible to do it in just a short amount of time. So the next thing I do is I go back to the Facebook page and I just copy and paste the email address. Copy, and then I'm going to approve that person. So I approve their entry into the group because I want to approve them into the group before I add them to my email list. Then I go inside of ClickFunnels, and now I'm going to add them as a contact on my list, and I'm going to add them to my specific email list for new people that are coming inside of the group. So I'll paste their email address right here into the email field. Now I will add a tag. Now I've added a tag for Funnel Building 101 that is specifically for people that come into the group. And that's the only information I need to enter there. And I'll just save the new contact. The next thing that I will do, once the contact has been added, I'll now add them to my email list. So I'll click the link right up here, add to list. Now I search for the email list from all the other email lists that I have set up. And this one is going to be new members in Funnel Building 101. I click add to list, and then that contact is added to my email list. Then I go back and I repeat that process for each person that's requested to join the group. So as you can see, it is a little time consuming and a little clunky. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Follow these steps and you'll have a Facebook group that's generating multiple streams of income. And remember, there's a link around this video to download these same membership site templates that you can use. You just pick your template, customize it, and launch it. If you already have a ClickFunnels account, you can download and start editing right away. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, you'll be prompted to start a 14-day free trial. And don't forget to watch the next video showing how to automatically collect those emails from Facebook and send them to your email account on autopilot, so you don't have to actually manually transfer the data, and it puts it into a Google Sheet, which makes it so much easier to track. This really changes the game. Hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon. What if I told you that every morning you could be in an environment with thousands of other like-minded entrepreneurs? Yeah, other entrepreneurs just like you building an online business. Would you agree that it's important to be in an environment with other high-performing, knowledgeable, dedicated, and positive-minded entrepreneurs? Yeah, it's inspiring. Do you think you'd come away with some golden nuggets of advice, tips, tricks, and strategies that you can use to grow your own business? Learning and growing and building your business together in a community. Well, that's what we do every day, Monday through Friday, in the private Facebook group, Funnel Building 101. We have amazing people. We have amazing stories. We have amazing information, and arguably the largest collection of training resources you'll find in any private Facebook group. Demo videos, how-to videos, and all the tutorials you need to start and grow your business online. Plus, we're having conversations, real conversations around topics that matter most to you. Because I want to hear what you have to say. So let's talk about it and throw ideas back and forth. Because we're like-minded and we're all going in the same direction, when we connect in a community, we can connect on other stuff outside of the community. Because we're building real relationships. None of this fake commenting and liking posts just for engagement like you see here on Facebook. I'm talking real relationships. R-E-A-L relationships. Don't take my word for it. Danielle said, "Hey, I just wanted to let you know I watched your pixel video today and it saved my day. Thank you so much." And Saida said, "Your videos are entertaining and educational." Daniel said, "We just finished putting together our goals to make this 2021 our best year ever. Using funnels and Mark's advice will get us there." Swad said, "I needed this. It's just like you've read my mind. Thank you, Mark." Carol said, "Oh wow, that's amazing indeed. I'm currently right where you were, frustrated with the WordPress site not bringing traffic, leads, or conversions. I'm not really sure what we could be doing wrong, even though I've identified a few issues that we could resolve. I'm so very grateful, Mark. You have no idea. This might just be what I need, actually. So kind of you to share these great resources. Blessings always." And when Ariana asked for someone to build out 4 funnels that is very creative and has great copy skills, Vanessa was quick to highly recommend Mark. Then Tevin said, Mark, you inspire me and keep me fired up. That's why I always touch base with you. It's always an honor, sir. And these are just a few of the hundreds of raving testimonials we've gotten. Now, the only person we're missing in the family is you. So join us in the Facebook group Funnel Building 101. That's Funnel Building 101. It's free to join. A link will be somewhere around this video, or you can text Funnel Building 101 to 678-506-7543. That's Funnel Building 101 to 678-506-7543. Either way works. I don't care how you join, but I can't wait to see you in there. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.